Hello and welcome back to Treasury Crafts. This is Sanu. Today's video is something special for Mother's Day. I'm going to make a sculpture. Take a toy, cover the face with oil. This is to make a mold for human faces. Cover the face using glue gun with 2 to 3 layers to make it strong. First I have tried with clay to make a mold, but it doesn't came out well, so I shifted to this idea. It is very easy to come and the mold is ready. You can see the impressions on it. I made another one with different doll. Take a long strip of cardboard with this 4 cm and you will need a round bowl to shape it. Press the cardboard strip like this to make it flexible. Fold it at the center. To get round edges, I used bowl to shape it. Join 2 edges like this to get a heart shape. Watch my video till end and don't skip to know all important steps. I'm using another layer of cardboard strip to make it thicker. Glue them gradually to maintain the shape. Consider subscribing my channel and press the bell icon to get notified whenever I upload my new video. Mother who gives us selfless care and lot of love and support throughout our life. Actually, this is not my next craft video, but I really want to make something special in this special day. Repeat it for the other side. I have inserted metal wire at the center for the support. Remove the excess and glue them. Stick more layers of cardboard to make the base. Fix it like this for support. I'm going to cover the frame with a primer. I made this with white cement, glue and water all in same quantity. Instead of white cement, you can use talcum powder or plaster of Paris. Make a hole with needle to insert the wire. You need to do this before applying the primer or else it will become strong and you can't put hole. Bend like this, trim off the excess and attach 2 more cardboards to complete the base. To make the frame more stronger, I'm going to apply a coat of texture paste. I made my own texture paste with equal amount of glue and white cement. Instead of white cement, you can use plaster of Paris or corn flour or talcum powder. I tested these 3 as a texture paste with a piece of cardboard and it worked well. Since I have more unused white cement, so I am using it. I have applied only at the front portion. Let it dry. Let's make sculpture. I have inserted wire for the support. I am using aluminium foil as a filler. Stick it to the base. Apply Fevicol and cover it with clay. Use water to make it smooth. Trim off the excess wire. Now cover it with a thick layer of clay. Use round tip to blend it. You really need to keep patience while working. Bend the wire slightly. It's time to sculpt faces. Using mold, I'm going to make human faces. Take a bigger mold, dust it with some talcum powder and press it. And now you get a approximate human face. Fix it in the wire for the support. This is going to be a mom. To make baby face, take a smaller mold, dust it with some talcum powder, take some clay, fix it, and you got a beautiful little baby face. Take off the excess and using water, smooth the surface. And I'm taking a piece of wire to fix the baby face. Yes. Now it's time to make hands. Roll a piece of clay like this. I'm not going to make the sculpture with much details, so I'm leaving the hand as it is because I'm going to cover it with hair. To make hair, roll some clay, stick it like this to make layers of hair. I'm using super glue and Fevicol to stick it well. To make hands for the child, roll some clay, bend it. Using needle, press it at the center. To make folded palm, take some clay, flat it, make some impressions and fix it. Let's make another hand for the lady. Take some clay and put the hole like this to make sleeve of the dress. Roll some clay and fix it in that hole for the hands. Make the texture with the needle for the sleeve to highlight it. Fix some clay below the neck of two faces. To make forearm for the lady, do like this. Use needle to sculpt fingers. To make baby's hand, roll the clay, fold it. Using needle, press it at the center and fix it. To make folded palm, repeat the same step. Take some clay, flat it. Using needle, make some impressions and fix it. This air dry clay takes about maximum of 1 day to dry completely. This is a cold porcelain clay of of Creations Company. To fix the hand, I'm going to use super glue and fix it. Cover entire heart shape with red acrylic color. Black for the base. I'm going to paint the sculpture with baby pink color. I thought of painting it with skin color, but it appeared very dull, so I'm painting it with pink. Do share your views and comments in the comment box. Your comments are really necessary to improve my videos. I'm not concentrating more on the back side. Paint the lips with thin brush. I'm using red acrylic color. Acrylic black for hair. I have painted dark blue for the dress, sleeve and the remaining part at the down. Very sorry I have missed the video clip of painting the dress. Using sponge, highlight the frame and the sculpture with metallic silver. Some gold for base and the frame. I sculpted like mom carrying her child in her arms. The moment child sculpture is ready. If you like this video, please hit like button, share it with your friends and family, and do comment and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye bye.